All right, hello, my friend. This is Vic Strisius, and congratulations for picking up the Mass Traffic Blueprint. This can change your business. As a matter of fact, this is what I followed. I'm gonna give you a little bit more details about this in just a second. So please watch this couple minute video. Couple of things. So this is how I was able to. We just ran a campaign recently. Over 17.5 million visitors. We've generated over 3.7 million leads following this blueprint precisely. Over 112,000 paid customers. And for the revenue, it's like over $12 million in revenue with an average net cost per visitor, 7 cents. How in the world is that possible? Exactly by following this blueprint. So, couple things. Number one, right below this video, there is a button where you can download this blueprint. I'm literally giving it to you. There is no strings attached. You can just download it right now. And what I've got for mine here is I went to Kinko's and I got it laminated. This is literally like when you run a campaign, if you are an affiliate, if you're running a product sales or campaign or promotions or anything, or building a company, this is going to show you exactly what to do step by step. There's 3 things we focus on: getting traffic, managing traffic, multiplying traffic; getting sales, managing sales, multiplying sales; getting money, managing money, multiplying money; and then how do we create systems around that. So go ahead and download this blueprint right below this video. That's your step number 1, right? You can laminate it. I recommend it. Next, I would like to invite you, your next step. How do you get the most out of this blueprint? I want to do something very, very special for you for a very limited time. And that is this. I'm going to invite you to enroll in a course where I go over this Mass Traffic Blueprint. It's called the Mass Traffic Blueprint course. And let me tell you what you will learn in this course. I've put this together for you to help you maximize the results in your business, okay? Here's what you're gonna learn. Number 1, you're gonna learn the top 3 secrets that can turn you into a marketing machine. Second thing, you're gonna learn exactly how to implement Mass Traffic Blueprint in your business, okay? No stone unturned. Is gonna be crystal clear for you on how to do that. You will learn in this course. I'm actually going to dive into the details. See, when you download the Mass Traffic Blueprint, you will see we talk about traffic strategies, okay? How do we get traffic fast? How do we strategically scale it? And then how do we strategically go for domination mode? But in the course, I actually will give you specific traffic sources, okay, that you can tap into that can bring you quality visitors, high quality visitors, literally within 24 hours or less to any website you'd like. Okay, this is very, very powerful stuff. In the course, I'm going to show you exactly, okay, how to get up to 100,000 plus targeted visitors per day to any website you want. Okay, I'm going to show you how to increase your sales by up to 540% virtually overnight. Again, it's all in the blueprint, but I'm going to teach you behind the blueprint, behind the curtain kind of stuff on how to actually implement this in your business. I'm going to teach you how you can earn up to 900% more money without spending a dime extra on marketing. I'm going to teach you how to open floodgates of traffic, leads, and sales to your company. Okay, and then in this Mass Traffic Blueprint course, I'm going to teach you how to never ever worry about traffic cost ever again. You know how some people ask, actually a lot of people ask me like, what is the cheapest traffic I can get? Well, you don't want cheap traffic, you want good traffic. But ultimately what you really, really want is you want to be in a position where you don't even have to worry about traffic cost, right? You want to be in a domination position. You want to be able to own a traffic channel, which is exactly what you will be able to do by following this blueprint, okay? So here is something else you're gonna learn that's really awesome. How to dominate in any company, market, or industry by design, meaning predictable results. I'm gonna teach you the strategy, the rollout, exactly how to do it, paint by numbers there. Okay, and then I'm going to teach you how to create confidence and power in your marketing. And that is extremely important because whatever it is that you're doing, you might be an affiliate marketer, you might be selling your own products, informational products, maybe services, maybe you're in e-commerce. I tell you, this blueprint can take you from where you are to help you build $100 million a year company. Okay, it can take you from nothing to 10,000, from 10,000 to 100,000 to a million to 10 million and beyond to 100 million. How do I know this? This is exactly what we follow in our company. This is exactly what our most successful students follow. This is what I teach. All of our trainings, everything that I ever teach about traffic and conversions revolves around this blueprint. So here is what you need to do. Number one, go ahead and download it. Print it out, go ahead and laminate it. You will be using it over and over and over again, I promise you. Number two, get access to the Mass Traffic Blueprint course right now. Other people have paid up to $1,497 for access to this information. You can get it for virtually nothing over there. Go ahead and enroll right now. This can be available for very limited time. And I will actually allow you to have access, unlimited access to this training that goes along with this blueprint. Most people get it anyways. So go ahead and get this activated. I will see you inside the Mass Traffic Blueprint course, where I'm going to teach you all of these things and more. I promise you, you will never, ever look at traffic generation and conversions ever again after going through what I'm going to teach you in this course. Okay, it's very intimate. It's a crash course. You're going to absolutely love it. Don't miss your shot on the discount, though, because discount is very limited. People paid up to $1,497 for it, but your price is virtually peanuts here, okay? Next to nothing. So consider it as a gift. Go ahead and grab it while you can right now, and I will see you inside Mass Traffic Blueprint course. You're going to love it. See ya.